Welcome! Warren Buffett famously said, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." At Value S.A.G.E, our entire mission is to help you see the difference between those two numbers. Because when you know the true value of a business, market volatility stops being a threat and becomes an opportunity. Let me show you exactly what that looks like in the real world.
Meet George. If George finds a brand new premium TV on sale for half its normal price, he buys it. He knows a good deal. Value investing is doing the exact same thing, but in the stock market. It's a strategy where you hunt for high-quality companies that are temporarily trading for less than their estimated intrinsic value. Why do they go on sale? Because the stock market is emotional. It constantly overreacts to short-term bad news or temporary trends. While everyone else panics, a value investor buys the underlying business at a massive discount and simply waits. With patience, value investors anticipate that the market will eventually realize the company's potential, and the price may correct itself.
Finding that clearance sale requires rigorous fundamental analysis. Our platform automates the heavy lifting, so you can focus on making the final decision. Here is how your new workflow operates using our S.A.G.E system. Screen. Strip away the market noise to find high-quality targets. Analyze. Uncover the intrinsic value using professional-grade transparent models. Govern. Let our system track your watch lists, alerting you the moment the price drops below your calculated value. Evolve. Continuously refine your models as new earning reports come in. You now have a professional workbench at your fingertips. Let's run your first screener. Click Next to dive in.